Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five the subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our newest and upcoming activities. Alright, so today's do-it-yourself fun PE activity is called Fan-tastic. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so for this fun game, Fan-tastic, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to toss underhand or throw overhand and try to make it in a target. We're going to use 3 different objects today to do this awesome game of Fan-tastic. Set up for the game Fan-tastic, what you're going to need is 3 pool noodles, you're going to need some type of base, and you're going to use 3 different objects. Now, the 3 different objects I'm going to use today are going to be sock balls. Again, two socks, roll them up together, make a sock ball, any type of bouncy ball. And we are also going to use a pool noodle. So those are the 3 objects that we will be throwing into our rings over here. And this is going to be one Fan-tastic game. So level 1, what I'm going to do is from my stand over here, from my fan, I'm going to count 5 to 8 steps away. If you're an older child or you have older students, I would say 8 feet away. If you have younger kiddos, make sure you have them about 5 feet away. I'm going to do it 5 for this demonstration. And then we're going to do this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn around. Now, we have 3 different pool noodles that we can choose to throw into. Now, if you make it in the red, that's worth 1 point. If you make it in the blue, that's worth 2 points. If you make it in our third one, our green, it's going to be worth 3 points. Now, for level 1, this is stationary. It will not move. All right, here we go. So for level 1, again, I'm going to have 1 minute to try to score as many points in my target. I can throw underhand or overhand. That's completely up to you. For this demonstration, I'll go ahead and do underhand, okay? Red is worth 1 point, blue is worth 2 points, green is worth 3. Okay, let's get ready to go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, no points. Come back. Miss. As you can see, it's turning because of the wind. It's completely fine. So far, I got 1 point. Missed it off the post. Oh, just missed. Oh. All right, that's 3 points. I got blues too. All right, 5 points. Sorry, 6 points. 3, total of 6 points for level 1. Stay tuned for level 2. For level 1, I did an underhand toss. I'm gonna keep the point values the same. 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. Now this time I'm gonna use this ball as my throwing object, and I'm gonna actually throw it overhand. So make sure you guys use the critical elements to properly throw it correctly overhand. Step your opposite foot forward, point at your intended target, place up right by your ear, point and follow through. Stay tuned for level 2. Level 2, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Just missed. can see, it's a great cardio workout, as well as working on skill. Oh, just missed. 3 points. Four points. Oh, just missed. And time. So, level 2, total of 4 points. Stay tuned and I'll show you level 3 in just a moment. Now, for level 3, what we're going to do is we're going to use this pool noodle and act as if it's going to be a javelin. Still 5 to 8 feet away, depending on you. You're going to step, point at your target, bring it up to about your ear level, and follow through. And your goal is to try to make the pool noodle through any of these rings. Values still count the same. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3. At the end of the game, we'll see how many points I collect. 3, 2, 1, go. Just missed. Ah, almost got 1 point. Ah, that looked good. Go for that 2-pointer. Just missed again. And time. Have somebody available to play with you. What you can do is a bonus round. Yes, you heard that right. Bonus round. So what we're going to do is you'll get any of the objects you want. Sock ball, regular bouncy ball, or pool noodle, okay? And what you're going to do is have that individual spin this, spin the fan, and while the fan is spinning, you are going to try to throw it overhand or underhand and make it inside of the rings. Point values stay the same. Making it red 1, blue 2, green 3. So that's a great challenge that you guys can do. So if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. All right, so Eli's here. He's gonna help me. He's gonna be my spinner. Again, he's just gonna spin it, and while he's spinning, I'm gonna try to throw and make it inside any of these rings. Bonus round. Now again, Eli's gonna spin it. If I make it in red, 1 point. If I make it in blue, 2 points. If I make it in 3, green points. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, 3 points. Oh, 2 points, 5 points. Miss. 1 more point. That's 6 points. Oh, 3 more. That's 9 points. Oh, missed. Oh, just missed. Oh, 2 more. 11 points. And time. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Fan-tastic. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot. And we'd like to see how you guys are modifying these games to meet your students' needs. So please, again, use that hashtag, the P spot, so we could definitely check out your guys' videos as well. As always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.